Hey, I've got a really easy short lesson for you coming right up, so don't click that button. Rock me, mama, like a wagon wheel. Rock me, mama, any way you feel. Hey, mama, rock me. Rock me, mama, like the wind in the rain. Rock me, mama, like a southbound train. Hey, mama, rock me. Loog Nation! Hey folks, it's Mr. Will with Loog Nation, where future guitarists start. And today we're working on Wagon Wheel. Wagon Wheel's an amazing song. Darius Rucker wrote this song, and Old Crow Medicine Show made this a smash hit song as well. I actually have a personal story about this song. I played this very song at our wedding when I got married a few years ago. It's a very special song to our family, and I'm really excited to share it with you here at Loog Nation. Now, if you've been following along the past couple weeks, I have been using this 4-chord progression in lessons and songs, and today it is no different. It is the same 4-chord progression that we've been doing, and if you want to check out those other lessons, please click the link below and get a workout. Get your lesson in, practice your Loog, and then come and learn a song. This song. Yeah, Beat, it's so fun to learn 4 chords. Right, and to know that they can be applied to any song you like. Okay, almost any song. Some songs are in different keys. We'll talk about that more. In fact, this song's gonna be a pretty quick lesson today, so get ready to get into it. 4 chords are a G, a D, an E minor, and a C. So this song has 2 different cadences. Two different cadences. We're gonna play a G, a D, an E minor, and a C, and then we're going to play a G, a D, and then 2 Cs. So this is a great way to practice. G, D, E minor, C, G, D, C, C. And if you're newer to chords and newer to the Loog, this is a perfect way to practice. Changing chords. Changing chords is so much more important than just figuring out the chord. Moving in and out of chords is how you get better at playing. Not just, can I play the chord, but can I change the chord? Remember that. Hey, just to let you in on something, that's the entire song. So I'm going to go over the chorus of the song, but you can also apply it to the verse as well. The exact same strumming, the exact same chords. It happens throughout the entire song. So this is going to be a lot of fun to play. We have our strum that comes up next. This is a 2-step song, or a country 2-step, meaning we've got 2 beats instead of 4. And the strum is very simple. We're going to play a down, and then down, up. And the down, up is a swing, right? Swing feel. Oh, that's a new term, swing. The swing feel is kind of like a long, short, like a lazy, right? Like lazy, right? Lazy, long, short. So we got down, down, up, down, down, up. And we play each chord 2 times, meaning we're going to use the down, down, up twice. B, E minor, C, then G, D, C twice. And when I say twice, I mean 4 times, right? We're playing C, down, down, up, and then C again. Down, down, up, down, up. I want us to really think in 2. 1, 2, and 2, 2, and, right? 1, 2, and 2, 2, and. I think it'll keep us on track as we start to pick up the pace and go try and play full tempo. So let's practice this one more time. I'm going to go through the whole cadence. You're going to see all the charts here. Thanks, Beat. We're going to see all of the chords and the count, right? And don't forget, your strum is the same the whole time. So we're gonna go down, down, up. 1, lazy, 2, lazy. Cool, here we go. All right, 1, 2, 2, 2. All right, how'd that go? I'm putting an accent on 2, right? 1, 2, and 1, 2, and. I want to encourage you to challenge yourself to play that 1, 2, and, right? Lazy, right? You may have noticed that I was playing something different in the demo. I was playing a G with 2 fingers instead of just 1 finger. I like playing this to get a bigger sound. Just as preference, but I wanted to throw that at you if you're looking for something to mix it up as you're playing the song. And you may have also noticed that I'm not just playing down, down, up, but I'm feeling 2 beats and adding a little bit of my own count or flair to my strumming, right? So I'm just adding extra down ups instead of just having it being a perfectly clean down, down, up. Now you have options. We know that we're playing 2 beats. You can do 1 strum, you could do quarter notes, you could do down, down, up, or you could just add a lot of strumming in tempo. 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, and 2, and 2, and 1, 2, and 2, and 2, and, right? I'm just doing down, up there. I just want to throw out these variations for you because I think it's such a fun song to play and you get to add your little spices to the mix. I want you to learn the Loog, but I also want you to become great musicians. As future guitarists, I think it's really important that you start to own the song yourself. I want to give you the options to play what you like, but I think it's up to you at the end of the day to play how you like. Right? So you start to get a sense of what kind of player you are and what kind of strums you really enjoy. I hope that helps. Yeah, beat, that's it. This is the song. That was the lesson. I hope you all had a great time. I love this song. It really has a special place in my heart, and I hope you enjoy the song as much as I do. If you are enjoying this song, please leave a comment below or like this video. Make sure to share this video with others who might have a Loog or are interested in playing music. And if you haven't already, please join the Loog Nation community. Hit that subscribe button. We're here every Thursday with a new video, and we're almost up on a whole year of being here on YouTube, and I'm so excited and proud of the work that we're all doing. Thank you all so much for being a part of this community, and I look forward to bringing you many, many, many more songs and many, many more lessons. Many, I don't know what I'm saying. I just really want you all to play this instrument and become future guitarists. I look forward to teaching you more about the Loog, bringing more Loog into your home and live music into your home throughout this whole new year of Loog Nation. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.